Hey, it's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolly. Today, I have a special show for 4th of July. This is a day to celebrate family, friends, freedom, and the future. We have had setbacks and challenges, but we also have hopefully grown new skills. We have been forced to change, and I hope you will be one of those people who has decided that you will continue to change and grow and become better as a result of the challenges. One of the great things that has happened is that many people have been able to focus on their relationships and been able to grow those relationships. Unfortunately, though, some people have had relationships that have been strained, and people are struggling with their marriages and struggling to regain the joy and excitement they had when they first got married. Money issues, communication issues, all of these things could have an impact on your relationship. I want to encourage you to go get the free chapter from my marriage book and use the tips that we share to regain the fireworks you once had. Go to jollymarriage.com, and get the free chapter. This is Dr. Willie Jolly. Have a great 4th of July. Make it a great day.